Hello friends, so, is your car suddenly overheating or maybe showing poor fuel efficiency? If your scanner shows code P0493, it means there's a problem with the cooling fan speed signal. Ignoring this issue can lead to engine overheating and, honestly, some pretty expensive repairs. In this video, I'll explain what P0493 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. Alright, so let's talk about some common causes for the P0493 code and what you can do about them. First up, a faulty cooling fan motor. Sometimes the motor itself is malfunctioning, or maybe it's just drawing too much current. Next, we've got a defective cooling fan control module. This little module is responsible for regulating your fan speed, and if it's failing, well, that's a problem. Another thing to look out for is a faulty coolant temperature sensor. If it's giving incorrect readings, it can make the fan run at high speeds when it really shouldn't. Wiring issues or short circuits are also pretty common. Damaged or corroded wiring can send false speed signals to the fan, and though it's rare, sometimes the culprit is a faulty engine control module, or ECM. If that's not controlling the fan correctly, you might see this code pop up. So, how do you actually fix the P0493 code? Here are some step-by-step solutions you can try. Step 1. Use an OBD-II scanner to confirm the code. Step 2. Inspect the cooling fan assembly. Listen for any excessive noise or look for wobbling. Step 3. Check the cooling fan control module, and look for burned connections or any melted wires. Step 4. Inspect the coolant temperature sensor, or CTS, and test it with a multimeter to make sure you're getting proper readings. Step 5. Check for wiring issues like burnt freight or loose connections. Step 6. Test the fan motor. If it's running at full speed all the time, it probably needs to be replaced. And finally, Step 7. Reset the code and take your car for a test drive to see if the issue comes back. So, the P0493 code is usually caused by a malfunctioning cooling fan motor, a faulty control module, or sometimes a wiring issue. Fixing it will help you prevent overheating, restore your engine's efficiency, and keep your AC working just like it should. Oh, and for more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next: P0246, Turbocharger Boost Control Circuit High, and P0247, Turbocharger Boost Control Circuit Low. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.